Motherfucker. Go, son. Let's go, let's Oh, man. Oh, my God. This is going to be fucking nuts. Dude, Xavier, you're shaking.
That's very unsafe.
No shit.
That's super. Oh my god. Don't die.
Xavier Wolverine style.
If you want to film something, film that.
One more,
God.
Xavier.
One more. Let's go. Piss me on fire. I'm going to kill one of you.
Whoa.
I'm going to die. So, no, if there isn't at least one comic panel where Wolverine's claws are on fire, I'm gonna be. That's stupid. They should have that at least one. Alright, go fight, guys. Alright, Xavier.
Oh god.
I'm gonna die from cancer before I die from you. Just like all the smoke gives you lung cancer.
Go green, go green.
Go green. Oh no!
Xavier,
I'm out of claws. What are we gonna pour 1,000 years of death on him? Just.
I know. Green is dead. Fire up the ass.
1,000 years of death. Fire style. Basically.
Hey, you know you can use this to light this too? Well, you those I think you have their cherry bombs, right?
No, they're little light flashes.
It's like,
You can throw these.
like it's